some properties on how to expand logarithms. The first box is dealing with base A, and then the second box is just base E, which is the natural log. So with base A, if you have a logarithm, and in that parentheses is an x times a y, you can split up into separate logarithms, log of ax plus log of ay. Same thing happens over here if you have a natural log, x times y. Natural log of x plus natural log of y. Second property is division. So how you split that up is log of x minus log of y. Over here, property 2, again is division. So it's the natural log of x minus the natural log of y. You are subtracting them. The third property, if you have an exponential, what happens is you can bring that y down in front. Again, if you have an exponential, you bring that y down in front as a multiplier. So here are some examples of when we would use those properties to expand. So for example A, logarithm base 4 of 5x cubed y. If you want to throw a parentheses around here, you can do so. And what we want to do is expand this logarithm out to multiple logarithms. So notice the 5, the x cubed, and the y are all multiplying each other. So to expand those out, we are going to add those 3 pieces. They will all have the same base. Then I have another property that says I can take that 3 and bring it down in front. So now it'll be 3 and then log base 4 of x, and then everything else stays as it is. So in expanded form, here's what it looks like with 3 separate logarithms, all of base 4. This next example is a natural log, square root of y. I can rewrite that square root of y as y to the 1/2 power. Then I can bring that 1/2 power down in front. So it'll be 1/2 the natural log of y. This third example is a logarithm. I can rewrite that 4th root as the natural log of x divided by y to the 1/4 power. Then I can bring that 1/4 power down in front. And then notice inside that bracket is a natural log of x divided by y. So you can break up that natural log into 2 separate logarithms by subtraction. So then I'd have the natural log of x minus the natural log of y. Make sure you put 1/4 out in front, because that still would, if we put it back together, we'll get 1/4 as a 4th root. Last example, natural log of x to the 4th, and I'm going to change this square root to y to the 1/2 power, and then it's over z squared. Now these 2 pieces are multiplying each other, so I can break that up as the natural log of x plus the natural log of y to the 1/2. And then this is division, so now that becomes subtraction. Now each of these logarithms have exponents, so I can bring this 4 down in front, I can bring this 1/2 down in front, I can bring this 2 down in front. So I would get 4 natural log of x plus 1/2 natural log of y, and then -2 natural log of z.